It's that time again. More groceries. I know it's always endless because you need to always have nice, fresh produce, meats, fruit, whatever that you need in your house. Now, this isn't a ton of stuff because I have lots of things that I need to use up in my fridge and freezer. So I'm going to show you what I bought today and make sure you check out lots of my other recipes, okay? I got this delicious chicken. It was in my fridge. I just took it out. And, I'm thinking of using it in a salad, quinoa salad, regular salad. I'm deciding. Of course, lemons, fresh lemons for hot water or cold water. I add a lot of lemons to my pancakes, to waffles, to my muffins, loaves. It just gives that extra boost of delicious flavor. And my peppers, I'm thinking of doing some stuffed peppers this week, but I love them for my stir fries, big bags at Costco. And you can just have them raw. They're a good snack with different dips that I have on my video. I love the Cara oranges. They're super, super delicious. And they're a nice size. They're very filling and sweet, so that helps. Onions, of course, because I need those for my stir fries and for a lot of my burger recipes, guys. I love lots of nice onions and mushrooms and vegetables. That just adds so much flavor, especially if you caramelize them. Asparagus, I love to steam it. I love to bake it. You can add it to your stir fries, okay? Really super delicious. And they were on sale, so I was happy about that. And green beans, I steam them or I bake them. You can have them plain. You could add some cheese to it. Or this one comes with a Szechuan sauce and sesame seeds. I love the ambrosia apples, of course, and I'm going to be making a new apple muffin, a breakfast muffin, which stay tuned for. It's going to be super delicious. And of course, low points for those on Weight Watchers. And a Kirkland barbecue chicken because that just makes your life so easy. But you can take the skin off and add it to casseroles. My delicious chicken pot pie, you could use it in that or just put it in, add it to any kind of salad. My quinoa salad, you could add it to your egg muffins. And just have it as a snack, right? High protein. The other thing I bought was at Johnny Vince. It's a bulk store here in Canada. But I bought the organic red brand because it's so, so low in points. And I'm hoping to do a delicious bran muffin, okay? And I found this cocoa. It's cocoa berry, and I can't even explain how it smells. Usually I buy the Fry's cocoa, which is very good, but I feel like I've been in a chocolate factory with this, so I'll let you know more about this cocoa berry. It does come in a larger package, but I just wanted to try it. It was quite expensive for a large one, like $20 or $30, I think. So I'm going to let you know, and I got that at John Vince Foods, but I bet you could probably get it at different bulk stores. And I got these Quest bars. They're the oatmeal chocolate chip ones, 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, and they satisfy your sweet tooth, especially if you're on any kind of health journey after a workout as a snack. And they are 4 smart points for the whole bar, which makes me really happy. So I hope this grocery and meal planning, prepping ideas help you as well. All right. And you can just check out lots of my recipes to be adding these ingredients to. All right. I add even the oranges to some of my muffins, and you can do that too. It's really, really good to add extra flavors like orange and lemon, of course. Oh, I almost forgot this big container of vanilla. Also, this huge one that I bought at John Vance Foods. So check it out. And hopefully those that are in Toronto or nearby areas, you'll go to these stores. And if not, you can find a lot of these products, of course, at Costco and your local grocery stores and bulk stores. So continue to subscribe and check out my website, www.risaweiner.com. Ring the bell to get all my recipes that are written under each video for more inspiration and motivation. Take care. Love you guys.